In this video, I will show how to change cell size in Microsoft Excel. So there are some way you can change cell size. Just select any cell and you can change size from here. This is the first method. Second method, select any cell, then format. Now you can change row height like 66. Format column width 77. Then click on OK. So this is the size for particular cell. You want to change entire worksheet cells size, so click on this corner, format. Now select row height, format, and column width, then click on OK. So in just 2 clicks you can change entire worksheet cell size. So thanks for watching.